Okay, yo. What the hell going on? Hey, before this video, man, y'all hit that like and that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hey, and to let you know, I'm having a raffle contest, man. So y'all check out my shorts, comment on my shorts, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because that's how you enter the raffle. For all new and upcomers who subscribe, you know what I'm saying? It's the rush to 500, man. Doing a cash payout. 3 winners, all right? Check this video out.
The officer out here want to talk to you. He right here. Come on in.
I know this woman does not have on her shirt that says baddie.
$400 came up missing out. I got $50.
Oh yeah, they in our house, so.
From when I went grocery shopping. Okay, I got.
Man, the state, her and Dorothy were arguing because Dorothy stole $400 from her purse, and everybody that she went to the bank and pulled out $400.
Still in there.
So you've been here all day?
No, I haven't. I've been downtown
So
taking care of bills.
Dorothy must have went and pulled the money out. She put it in her purse.
Yes, I've been.
And I guess the baddie
back from the bank and shit.
must have got
since you got the money,
sticky fingers.
I've been going out the door, out from the phone because I can't hear because.
And has she been here the whole time?
That sounds like a government phone to me.
She hasn't gone anywhere. Okay, so you're.
Now, do y'all want to search me? Because I went to bed and I'm telling y'all the same thing I just told her. You can search me, sir. You can really search me.
But hold on, why would they search you? You probably already spent that motherfucker.
Enough!
Oh,
What is your name?
you hid that bitch.
Do you have ID?
What the hell? Is this their backyard or their front yard?
I can't find you damn right. Throw it all out there.
Okay. Do me a favor.
That's her shit?
Step in there. What is your first name?
My first name
Damn.
is Dorothy.
What is going on?
Dorothy.
She accusing me of taking $400 at first, and when she never said the amount of money what was taken from her. Now all of a sudden that she's saying it's $400, and I'm the only one been here in one spot the whole fucking time. Okay. So
I mean,
I don't know
Dorothy,
what the hell she's talking about. When the refrigerator
you got
thing,
the look of a thief.
Same area, right here. This
First
corner,
of all,
right here in this corner.
you need to take some of that money you stole and buy a bra.
I never seen her black
because we don't like the
She's
orangutans.
talking about I stole $400 from her when I didn't. I don't take money.
Okay, but you said something about a refrigerator coming.
Yeah, that refrigerator right there just got here.
Okay, so somebody delivered a refrigerator.
Yes,
okay, all right,
and this happened after that.
Okay, I'm just.
Damn, what the hell? They got a lot of chairs out there. How many people stay in this area, right? Like in their house? What they have weekend kumbayas out back?
And where did you
Kumbaya, my lord.
Nowhere. I've been right here.
Bonfires.
Have you checked everywhere, making sure you didn't misplace it? And nobody else has been here?
Nobody.
Okay.
Dorothy, you stole that shit. You stole that shit, Dorothy. You come on, man.
She threw it out.
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
I get mail here.
No, how long have you lived here?
Since she moved here.
How long?
And that's 8 months.
8 months. That's what we want. Yeah.
And I've been getting mail here.
Just because you get mail on you. Yeah, that doesn't establish residency. Yeah.
She trying to make sure that they don't kick her out. They can't do nothing about it. I get mail here. I'm a resident. You know how that. Hey,
and I come back around about 12.
that's squatter rights.
30. And I don't want but this is all I do.
Excuse
The
me.
whole time. I
Hell
got
is
my
that?
cigarettes and my lighter up there now.
So
That
what
a
do you
dollar?
want from me today?
Tell her that she can't be talking to me no inside way, and tell her that I appreciate the way she be acting. Because I will be calling y'all again, I will be beating on her again. Then I beat you.
Damn.
Tell them I beat you. Tell them I hit her more
No.
than once.
Where did you
No.
I hit her all over the body.
Why would you?
Now you in the back of my head. Thank
Now you going to
you.
jail.
In the back of my head. Thank you. You ain't got no sense now.
Right before we got here?
No, 30 minutes ago. And I have not did nothing wrong. I came back here to get my cigarettes, find my shoes and my lighter.
Man,
Up there and sit
Dorothy
and calm
knew
down.
not to say nothing. She like,
Could you please tell her to leave me alone right now? Because this is ridiculous. Come on, I'll leave you alone. Come on. I'll go to jail, but you...
Come here with me.
Okay. Who's going to deal with that? Whatever.
All right, enough. Stop talking with her. So before we got here, walk me through what happened.
Okay, I'm sitting in my corner, minding my business, watching the tablet that she let me watch. I get ready to get up to try to help her out.
The fuck?
Comes back with food and everything.
I'm
I help her in the kitchen, help her.
You got her like a slave or something that she allows you to watch. Like,
I'm not doing anything wrong. My dad pops up. He comes through the back door. He just
what is this, a fucking rehab house?
So he couldn't barely come up in the back door. I said, Daddy, I'm gonna have Mama to come to the back door. She comes to the back door. He comes out. They standing right here. She comes back in the house screaming and hollering at me about some money that I know nothing about. And that's the only thing that I've been had since I woke up this morning.
Okay.
And she didn't tell me what exactly.
I know you don't got
that she lost or whatever. She probably misplaced it or whatever. But I know for a fact I had never seen her with no money in her hand or her black bag in her hand.
Okay.
Until
so other than the money. So after the money thing happened, she's accusing you of stealing the money.
Yeah, and she starts whacking on me in the back of my head, on my arms, pushing me out the door, ran me up here.
Whacking you how?
With the little black bag, just bam.
Okay. She's hitting you with the bag.
Yeah, and I'm trying to get away from her. I'm running out the door, no shoes on.
Okay.
No nothing. I have not did anything wrong to this woman.
Did you touch her at all?
No.
He got the gloves on.
My fists up. I acted like I was going to hit her, but I
didn't. He's like, oh yeah?
I walked away from her.
Okay.
That's my best bet because I know my days will be shortened if I hit her.
Okay. Are you on probation or anything?
No.
Do you use narcotics?
No.
Do you use alcohol?
Yes, I do.
When's the last time you had anything to drink?
15 minutes ago before she started whacking me.
Okay.
And she made me bust my cup, and I just picked the cup up out the floor and threw it in the bucket in the back by the back door. This morning I had before I left away from him, I had a basket with wheels on it.
Look at you.
It wasn't nothing but some clothes I was finna throw away. But when I come back in, I was crying to go.
You, Daffy, Wile E. Coyote, Tasmanian Devil, and them glasses is about to go to jail.
All the stuff. All my son's stuff that I done washed on my hands and pants and stuff. They are gone.
Damn, the light hanging off?
Where is the pants? Where's his pants? They were hanging right here before they rained.
Damn.
I tried to get them in before it rained. They are all gone. Because she keep bringing goddamn people here and stuff. I don't want people here.
I get it.
Okay, tell her to stop bringing her friends over here. If she want to meet them up there.
Listen here, mama. You about to have a bunch of friends where you about to go.
Like that.
Guaranteed.
With him no way.
Does she drink?
Guaranteed. I know they locking her up.
Okay. When was the last time she had something to drink?
The same amount of time.
Okay, so you guys were drinking together?
Yeah.
Okay.
All that stuff right there. Okay, that's
ma'am, can you come here real quick?
So, what happened after you started asking her about the money?
She started getting loud and started cursing. I didn't cuss her now time. I said this way, where's the money? Okay,
so you start beating her after that.
Where's the damn money? Okay, I know where I had it. I know where it was. Okay, so why is it gone?
Yeah.
I got my niece coming with.
Mama, you look like you misplaced it.
She supposed to be watching my son.
You look a little
food and stuff.
forgetful.
That's the only money I had on me.
You know what I'm saying?
For to get his special
come on, mama.
To be blending up and stuff.
Try to sit back and think.
And
you know how y'all old people get
punching her, or what did you do?
I forget, and I ain't that old.
Her stepdad came out, and so I had to pay him.
I just had that shit.
$40 to take off the garbage. Cause my son been using
that's 40 subtract from the 400.
Get that off of here, but I forgot that he had the knee surgery, so he tried to say he gonna get somebody to come get it for me.
That shit spun around on you.
Came back in the house to pay him. Only thing I had was the $50.
Yeah.
That's all I had. Where's the $400?
Do you have your ID?
No, I do not.
Maybe it was the worker.
It was stolen. Wrecking the same house where she was living at. And she don't know, you might know $240 came up missing that. And she was here.
Damn, man.
Oh, okay.
All right, put your hands behind your back.
Come on. What I tell you? She like, oh. Bada bada ba.
She's gonna help take care of him.
No, she's not. No, she's not.
Don't you dare punch my eyes!
Oh. So she said, you ain't about to take care of my son.
What are you doing?
No, no.
You are
How old is her son?
No, no. Please call DNA.
You are gonna get tased. Stop resisting.
Please call DNA.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please call DNA.
Put your hands behind your
Please
back.
call DNA.
We got anybody else close to us?
Please call.
I'm telling you.
What the fuck is DNA?
Please call.
Is that like child protective service?
Please call.
Put your hand behind your back!
I'm surprised she got a son. How old is she? I mean, well, how old is the son?
Understand? Put your hand behind
Damn, they got her all bent over.
Put your hand behind your back!
Stop yelling in my ear.
Do what we're telling you to do!
Stop yelling in my back.
Damn, he just do what I said. Yo, just banged on her back.
Then let me up.
Pull your hand out.
She old as shit. You don't see that silver back?
Then let me up. Let me up. Let me up.
She's on top of it.
Yes, please let me up.
God
Call
damn.
VNA to come get my son. Please,
Get up.
please,
Hang on, let me double cup.
please, don't double cup. Please, you hurting me already.
You're fighting us!
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are!
I know. I don't want her to deal with my son. Please.
Well, we're beyond that.
You're under arrest now. Get up!
No, please, 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 please don't let me. Please don't let me. Please, please, please don't do that to me. Please don't let me leave my son. Please. Please, please. I ain't no shepherd, Devin. Please don't let me. Please don't do this to me. Let me take my tears to my son. Please. I got on handcuffs. Please, can you loosen up a
You
little
weren't
bit?
fighting us.
I wasn't fighting. You out there trying to get to her.
Yeah, you were raising your fist
She
at
said,
her.
I was trying to get to her.
Right in my face.
Look.
That was a good one. That was a good one. The whole time she writing his face. Call ENA.
Call VNA.
Call VNA.
Call VNA. Call VNA, please.
Sit in the car.
Okay, can you
Get in the car.
Okay, let me get my
Is this
foot
a
up.
what the fuck
Go.
is this?
Please call VNA.
Slide your legs in.
Call house.
Put your legs in.
Please call house.
All right, calm down.
What is it, healthcare?
Calm down. Calm down.
Please, I can't leave.
The only VNA I see is like Owens Mills and some weird shit, Maryland.
Take a breath.
Please.
Okay.
It's gotta be like,
All right.
So I don't know. I just came to help because she's a female. I did a female search. I don't know. All I know is that there was a fight. She's arrested. I believe you have a brother that's here.
I just gave him some water. And
Is he gonna be
the DNA is coming to get him now. His caseworker is on her way.
okay? So what are they doing with him?
They finna
damn, he got a caseworker?
Okay.
because she's so scared that I might hurt him, and that's my brother. Why would I hurt my brother?
Yeah. I know.
Okay, would you rather do...
So they
You
sisters?
want to just tell me what happened on the body cam?
I mean,
It really doesn't.
hold up. Nah, I
I
mean,
just don't want her to go to jail.
We're past that point.
I understand that.
that's her
So
mama?
explain to her about the way domestic violence works. At this point, it's not her against her mom; it's her mom against the state.
Whoa.
Then, when prosecutors call you, the state attorney's office calls you, you can kind of talk to them. They'll more than likely
That's
drop it, depending on what
crazy.
you say. But right
So
now,
she
it's
flipped out over.
it's not a choice, you know.
You don't
She's a
want.
lovable person when
Yo.
she ain't drinking.
Okay.
Mary Alice Carter was arrested and
Wow.
charged with domestic battery, battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting an officer with violence. Dorothy Coleman reported being assaulted but declined to provide a written statement.
Right, it's her mama. That's crazy. Wow. But hey, y'all. That was a good video, man. But hey, I appreciate y'all coming to watch this reaction with me, man. But hey, till next time, peace. And oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. That raffle waits, man. Cash money prize, baby. 3 winners. But hey, yeah, next time.